We gotta get Trucker Roy going. He's hauling corn for the neighbors. Other than that, gonna be doing a little bit of this, a little bit of that today. But first, we gotta get the old semi and semi-trailer ready. Oh yeah, Blake, you get an air for tires. Oh yeah, airing up tires is my favorite. Well, change plans, go figure. Roy and I are gonna leave the maintaining on the semi-trailer because we just got a call about some of our cows being out on a pasture. There's a whole kerfunkel over there, so we're gonna go check it out, see what's going on.
It looked to me like it probably come off of the
Off the south. Okay.
From what I saw.
Okay. Well, we'll go down there and see what we got. All of our cows are there, plus a couple of the neighbors. So, we're gonna go check some fence. I just realized something. I told myself I would never take this truck to check fence or cattle again. What the heck we doing, Roy? This is a go-to-town truck.
No, we're just checking the roads.
Oh, okay.
We're not checking fence. Wire's up, I guess.
We may have to come back and put a poster on the south side.
Huh. Okay.
All right.
Guess so. 2, 4, 6, 7. You must have about 14 or 15 out here.
There's quite a bit. And one's out right there.
One is out. Do you want to drive? Oh, there's 3 out.
One might be ours too.
No.
Came down the road. Then they hopped over the hot wire and got in our pasture. So we'll let the neighbor worry about it now. All of our cows are accounted for, boys. Made it back to the shop. All the cows were checked. We'll tackle that another day once the neighbor gets in there and gets his cows out, because it's a mess. Blaine finished servicing up the semi-trailer. Got it all looking pretty, all the wires working on it. Dad's gonna head out and go truck some corn for the neighbors. The neighbors hit corn that was like 230, 250 on up per bushel per acre. So it's gonna be crazy corn over there. So Dad's gonna go truck that. They can't keep up, so now we'll see what Blaine has planned for the day. So Blaine just said, hey, you're gonna go swath some prairie hay today. So sounds like we got about 200 acres of prairie hay we're gonna go swath. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less, but Blaine flagged me down because it's too wet right now to go pick corn. So now we're just waiting on Roy to show up. So Roy can help us till about 3:30. Then he's gonna go truck corn. Come on, Roy.
Okay. Yeah.
That wasn't very nice. This is a kid-friendly show. Come on, Roy. Now we gotta service this thing up. This never ends, boys. How much you want to bet I can throw a football over the mountains? Oh yeah. For sure. Come on, Roy, let's get going. Come on, Blaine, let's go. We got stuff to do today. Big convoy, move it out. Roy just outlined it for us. This, whatever hay meadow it is. I'm gonna get my lunchbox, my water jug, and then we're gonna go give her heck today, boys. All right. I'm gonna eat, you know. It's much safer for me just to shut everything down, take 5 minutes and eat than just going out there, trying to eat, trying to do this. This don't have GPS or auto steer. And then, of course, I'd known my luck, I'd run it into a tree and I'd never hear the end of it. So, lunchtime. Good right there. Whew. Here we go. Lunch is over. Oh no. Come on. That was a delayed response. That scares the crap out of me. Alright, back to the old grind. Out here getting her knocked out. So this is a east to west pasture. It's longer to the east to the west. And everybody knows when you got an east to west pasture, you start on the south side and work your way north, right? That's exactly what we're doing. Does anybody know what the state flower is for Kansas? If you guess sunflower, that is correct. Kansas chose sunflower after John Seymour Sunflower was the state's first, florist. So they named the first state flower after him. I believe that was in 1865, actually. So there's your history lesson for today. Switch gears. I'm now out here just combining these sunflowers out here. This right here will probably make 5 bushels an acre. Just joking, I'm still swathing. Now I'm almost got this field done here, and then I'm supposed to call the boss, supposed to call Blaine, and we're going to move over to the next prairie hay field. Do a little bit more swathing before the sun goes down. So, yeah, probably got about another 10 minutes left on this field, and I'm going to call Blaine. Woo. Yeah, come on back, Blaine. I'll be done in about 10 minutes if you want to head this way. So, yep, then we'll get everything moved on over to the next field. All right, see you in about 10. Well, Blaine will be here and we'll get moved over to the next one, boys. And with that little bit right there, that is all she wrote, boys. That's it for this field. Woohoo! Now we're gonna move on to the next one, which is 2-3 miles right down the road. As soon as Blaine gets here, that is. Big convoy moving out. Blaine finally showed up. He's right back there. Headed to the next field, boys. Here we go. Field number 2. It's right along the highway so everybody can see how pretty this swather is. Making these first rounds on fields I'm not used to doing can be pretty nerve-wracking. Just because you don't know what's out here. You don't want to hit something, you don't want to tear something up, you know, so these first rounds you got to go kind of nice and slow, make sure everything's going to go fine. Don't want to tear up Bubba's new toy, especially right along the highway. I just got this field opened up here, did my 1, 2, 3, 4 rows all the way around it. I'm gonna go to town, get some McDonald's. I need some caffeine bad. I'm starting to get a headache. When you got a field like this, it's north and south, and you're by a highway, everybody knows you gotta swath it. You gotta swath it from the northeast corner, kind of diagonal, going to the northwest. So that's how we gotta swath this one right here. So I'm gonna power down the swather, run to town, go get some McDonald's, get something for my head, regroup. Take 2 large Dr. Peppers. Let's see here. 2 McDoubles and 2 McChickens, and that's it. Look at that right there. McDonald's is now hiring at $11. That's more than what Dad and Bubba are paying me an hour. I need to go to McDonald's and work. McDonald's did not want to hire the Smallville farmer, so whatever, cool. They wouldn't let me GoPro in the back, so I was like, whatever, fine, be that way. And if you thought I was going to eat all that food, you crazy. So now I'm going to take all this on out to Roy so he can go get some dinner. We'll check in on the big corn harvest that's not even ours and see how this 230 plus bushel per acre corn's doing, boys. Man, that'd sure be nice to have a setup like that. Maybe I'll get lucky and win the lottery tonight. Then I can buy a Case IH 350. Yeah, boys. Well, it looks like Roy's out here making all kinds of money, playing super trucker for the neighbors. So we're gonna go back and keep swathing. Dang, whoever is swathing this knows exactly how to swath. Oh wait, that's me. Back at it. No rest for the weary, isn't that what they say? Something like that? I don't know. Busy time of the year, that's for sure. Looks like it's raining over there, which just happens to be Tulsa, Oklahoma. Hope you're enjoying all that rain down there. There's a beautiful sunset right over them Kansas mountains right over there. Very beautiful. So with that sunset over there, that means I'm just about ready to shut her down, call her a day, get home to Chelsea and the family. So anyway, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.